Have you ever wondered if you can mail a check to Ally Bank? It's a common question, especially for those who prefer the convenience of traditional banking methods. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Ally Bank and explore whether mailing a check is a viable option. Hook. Imagine having a check you need to deposit into your Ally Bank account. You could drive to a branch, find an ATM, or simply pop it in the mail. But is mailing a check to Ally Bank really that easy? Let's find out. Understanding Ally Bank. Before we get into the specifics, let's briefly discuss what Ally Bank is. It's a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts, competitive rates on loans, and excellent customer service. While it doesn't have physical branches, Ally Bank still offers a wide range of banking services. The pros and cons of mailing a check. Pros. Convenience. Mailing a check is a straightforward process that doesn't require leaving your home. Safety. The Postal Service generally provides a secure way to send checks. Accessibility. It's a great option for those who live far from Ally Bank ATMs or branches. Cons. Processing time. Mailing a check can take longer to process compared to depositing it at a branch or ATM. Risk of loss. While rare, there's always a risk of a check getting lost or stolen in the mail. Limited tracking. Tracking the progress of a mailed check can be challenging. How to mail a check to Ally Bank. Write the check. Fill out the check as you normally would, including the payee's name, Ally Bank, the amount, and your signature. Include a deposit slip. Attach a deposit slip to the back of the check. This will provide Ally Bank with the necessary information to credit your account. Address the envelope. Write the following address on the envelope. Ally Bank. P.O. Box 3726. Detroit, Michigan, 48231, 3726. Mail the check. Drop the envelope in a USPS mailbox. Additional tips. Use certified mail. For added security, consider sending the check using certified mail with a return receipt. This will provide proof of delivery. Consider mobile check deposit. If you have a smartphone, Ally Bank likely offers a mobile check deposit feature. This allows you to take a picture of the check and deposit it directly into your account. Be patient. Remember that it may take a few days for your check to be processed after it's received by Ally Bank. Conclusion. So, can you mail a check to Ally Bank? Absolutely. While it's not the fastest method, it's a convenient option for many people. Just keep in mind the potential processing time and the risk of loss. If you prefer a quicker and more secure method, consider using Ally Bank's mobile check deposit feature or visiting a nearby ATM. Call to action. Want to learn more about Ally Bank and its services? Visit their website or give them a call. And if you have any questions about mailing checks or other banking matters, feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.